Hi there, Ralph with Stray Benzes. Today's mini episode, the power steering pump tensioning mechanism is broken and how to fix it. Well, you'll see. It's not fun. There's a previous episode about changing out all the V-belts, and along the course I did find this mechanism to be busted. I would venture saying there are a lot of other people who might have this issue. This is a power steering pump that you'll find on the V8s, on the W126, but also others that have V-belt set up on the front pulley system. So this is not necessarily the same for the diesels that have the single pulley belt with automatic tensioner on it. So here we go. This is what we're talking about. Here's the hydraulic pump, power steering pump. It's held in place by this bolt. That's the pivot point. There's one down here, and there's another one here that slides up and down and has like a T bolt that looks like this, that comes in from behind with a nut up front here. And the tension mechanism sits here to the side, in here, like so. Goes up and down, and it's unfortunately made out of plastic. So this doesn't even get attached to the pump. This just sits there. So by the time this is all mounted, you just put the pump in, and this is hitting a round hole, a round cavity here, like so. Like there. So normally no muss, no fuss. However, and the last time I tried to tension the belts, it was like it's not really moving up or down, and it's just like couldn't make it out. Well, here's why: because the threads are completely stripped. So what to do? I'll show you in a minute what I had to do, and that is I had to get myself a Helicoil kit. Here's the tap for it, the inserts, the tool to insert the insert, that's the coil, and what else? And that's the tool that we need for this. And then we're gonna see if and how we can save this thing, because otherwise we'll be on the hunt for one, either used and abused from eBay or on a pick and part one. So let's wish me luck. Here is the threaded part in action. I'm not going to go all the way through, because otherwise I don't think this thing is, the back end is going to break open. And in a moment I'm going to install the new Helicoil in it. Yeah, coming out with that. Yeah, looks pretty good. Let's see if and how we can get the Helicoil started. There's on the back end here is that little tab that this contraption here is going to grab a hold of. And just need to get it started. Come on. It's getting in there. All right. My handy dandy tool. Come on. There we go. All right, let's see. Wish me luck that this thing is gonna work. So, all right, need to see in a moment if and how we can get the little tab to break off, and then we hopefully have a fully fixed thread in there. Success. Helicoil is in. That should do it. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But now it's assembly time. We're going to put just a little bit of lubricant on it, and then we can reinstall the power steering pump. Yeah, Wally is my trusted partner and still here. You might be able to see that little plastic guide there is finally in place where it ought to be, and now it's time to make sure that we're going to mate these parts correctly and not pinch the lines here. That'd be bad. So there's one, there's the other. And here, we just need to make sure that we're somewhere. All right, you get the idea. I need to make sure that somehow in there I have the pump catching in that little hole. There we go. There we go. So now I have, see, the bolt is going up and down with it. Now I can completely assemble it. Put this little T-bolt back down in here. That's the third one, the one that really has a lot of travel. Tighten everything up, put the belts on, tighten it, and then we'll see. Success. Now the whole mechanism moves freely up and down, and the tension bolt is in place. So now we can reinstall the belts, tighten everything up. That should be it. The moment of truth. Moment of truth, I should say. Here's the new matched belt set. That's gonna go on. Wish me luck. All right. So we'll put one through. On. There we go. Go. So now we need to go on way behind here, behind the pulley. All right, yes. One. There we go. And looks like we need about every little bit that there is in terms of the tensioning device. So that one is there, and I can already tell you that this belt fits way different than the Napa variety one, because when I just tighten this by hand, I can already see that the pump is almost level, whereas when you go back in the video you can see that that's not the case with the Napa variety beds. And I now see that my new tension mechanism is working just a tad too well. I need to loosen that up a little bit so I can, there we go, come on, loosen this up even just a tad more so I can then put bed number 2 in. Got it. I need to get this one snaked through. There we go. Almost there. Come on. There we go. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. I can now tighten up the mechanism. I loosen up the zip tie. That's unique to at least bends. Ooh, the storm coming. Gotta hurry up. Trying to get the Helicoil kit for this pump took a while. There we go. Wow, that is beautiful. Wow, what a difference. The pump is almost straight, level. It tensions the beds beautifully. Remember, after tight comes off, so don't overdo that. Now we can tighten up the hold down bolts here. Make sure that oh wow, what a difference. This one, and there's one more down here that I probably need a different extension for. There we go. Nice. Wow, what a difference. And you can also see that the beds fit better in the groove. Beautiful. So, and that's that. Yeah, all right, so we have the tension mechanism fixed. I'm really glad that that worked out with helicoils. That seems to be the way to go. Fairly inexpensive, especially if you already have the kit at home. You know, a couple of bucks, and you're back in business and without fuss. And that's most likely probably going to outlast the original part with it. Give the channel a like. Give the other videos a shot. Send me suggestions what to do next. My biggest project this year is going to be the sunroof. There's going to be at least 3 episodes, if not more, because that one is that's definitely an interesting one. All right, bye bye.